Hey guys, it's Kyler with Xpedition headquarters out here in Lubbock, Texas. A buddy of ours came by not too long ago wanting a little more water for his shower and dishwashing setup. He was using this pressurized tank that you have to hand pump, and he just wasn't a big fan of it, having to pump it by hand and not having enough water. So a couple months ago we threw in a ARB twin air compressor, one of the hidden ones up underneath the fender well. He's got a 1 gallon air tank underneath the tank. So what we did was just tee off of that tank underneath the Jeep. We ran an air line up into the bed of the cab here. We put ourselves a ball valve so that he could be sitting here taking a shower. If he runs out of water, just reach over, throw a little more air in. He didn't want this to be a very permanent setup, so we just used some of our 6-foot roller cams to strap it down with this ball valve that we just zip tied in so that it's super easy to take in and out. The roller cams here also allow him to strap down something else if need be. Like say you got some wood or something you need to strap down, just pull one of these off. The tank's gonna stay. That's why we did 2. That way he has the versatility of doing whatever he needs. He's got this just water hose shower mister. It's more than long enough to reach to the bed of the truck so that you can do your dishes and whatnot, as well as opening up the shower over here and taking a shower with it. So it's just super simple.